Well, here it is, the Polarna e-bike 750. I know a lot of folks have been waiting for this one. Finally got mine just about 30 minutes ago or so. So let's open it up. So it's fair to say that they really do a good job packing these things up. The box is in pretty good shape, aside from maybe this corner here, which took a hit. Of course, that's the shipping company, but just to give you an idea of what it looked like and how the packaging held up. Starting to get into the meat and potatoes here. So super easy to get assembled, I guess, halfway. Take out the box stuff, put the pedals on, and then we'll see. Start here. So got some pedals and what feels like a little toolkit here. So if these are your typical pedals, then they sure are. They're reverse. One of them is reverse thread, and then it comes with 2 washers. And I took a look at the installation instructions, and it did say to grease the threads first to prevent corrosion. So I will do that. It also says to install at 25 foot-pounds. Just got a little grease here. Tighten up everything. Probably a good idea to tighten up the wheel hubs, make sure everything's torqued down, nothing's loose before you get on it. I'm going to do a quick walk around, make sure there's nothing crazy going on, and then I'm going to need to charge it and take it for a spin. I don't see any damage at all. Scratches on the screen. Fenders look pretty nice and aligned. So far, I think it's really nice. So let's get it charged up and take it for a spin.